Hey guys, welcome to the official demo video for UGC Valet. In this video, Josh is going to show you how you'll be able to start having real human actors like me sell, promote, or talk about any product or service you'd like, even for your clients. Let's go ahead and jump right in.
Alright guys, let's go ahead and jump right into the official demo video of UGC Valet. This is my brand new platform that's going to allow anyone to go ahead and leverage the power of UGC and spokesperson videos to sell, promote, or talk about any product or service that you'd like, even for your clients. And we've made it very simple for anyone to do that. Now, if you have no idea what UGC videos are, I invite you to do just a quick Google search, and you'll see some amazing stats of just how well these videos convert on all different types of social video platforms to sell more products, more services, and now you have that same power at your fingertips with UGC Valet. The other powerful thing about this is that these types of videos are so versatile. Not only could, like I said, you can use them to sell your products or your services or your clients' products and services. You can use them to sell physical products. You can use them on your clients' websites to sell their products or services on the websites. You can put these videos on their local citations sites like Yellow Pages and Google Local. All different types of places that you can put these videos as well to promote and explain or sell their products or services. And on top of that, you can use these videos to rank them on Google, on YouTube, to get them even more clients, more sales, more traffic, all different types of uses that you can use with these videos. So we've made something very, very powerful that allows anyone to use these types of videos. And in this demo video, I'm going to actually be creating the intro that you just saw before this video started. So let's go ahead and get into that. So here at the top, you just click on this plus sign to get started. And then we have three options for you here. We have a single creation, bulk creation with placeholders, which will allow you to change multiple cities. So if you have a client that targets multiple cities, you can create videos in bulk for multiple cities. You can have multiple placeholders as well, so you can have multiple cities with different phone numbers, multiple names. So if you want to personalize videos, you can do that as well. Or we also have the ability to keep the script the same, not change the script at all, but use different actors. So depending on which level you purchase, you'll either be able to access just a single one or all three. So being able to unlock our bulk hyper mode feature is one of our upgrades. So when you get to that page, you'll be able to see a demo video of how these two work. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and create a single video. All right. So this is where you name the video. So I'll go ahead and go demo video. And these are all of the actors that we currently have for you to choose from. Okay. Now we will be having more between now and the time that you're able to purchase this. So we are shooting to have about 30 actors or so in here by the time you purchase your account. All right. One good thing that we've done as well to make this a lot easier for everyone and to be able to ensure that you get the best results is that if you see an actor that you want to use, you just click on the details tab. You can play and see a short preview of the video. And then down here, we've paired it with what we recommend is the best voice for that actor. All right, so that you can get the best results. So I'm going to go ahead and click this out. Another thing that I want to show you as well is a big bonus that we'll be having during this launch special, which is the ability to get access to our green screen actors as well. Now, this library will be expanding as well between now and the time that you purchase your account. So by the time you purchase, you will see a lot more in here. So if I want to go ahead and use this one, if I hit select, you'll see that now I can select a background for this particular actor. So if I open this up, you'll be able to have the ability to upload your own image to use as a background. Okay, you can click to upload your own custom video as a background. So a great idea would be to be showcasing your client's products in the background, or your client's services, or your client's website, or some testimonials in the background. you can get real creative of what you can customize this and customize the background with to ensure that you get higher conversions for your own products or services, or for your clients' products or services. Or if you want to just use our stock media options, we do have that in here as well. So we are integrated with Storyblocks, which is one of the bigger stock media options out there that we do pay for on our own, which is not cheap by any means. We pay for it on a yearly basis, and you get full access to that inside of UGC Valet. And you have access to both images and videos. So if I do something like beach, hit search, you'll see multiple beach options here that you can add as a background, okay? And our last option here is if you want to just put it to a custom color, you can go ahead and do that as well. All right, I'm going to close this out for now. All right, and then I'm going to go ahead and go back to the actors. Oops, I'm going to go ahead and just go back to the all actors. I'm going to go ahead and use the Axel actor. I'm going to go ahead and hit continue. And then here is where we have all the voices that you'll be able to select from to match it to your actor. Now we've gone the extra step, like I said, and each actor we have added which voice works best with that actor so that you can get the best results. So with this voice, Axel is the recommended voice, so I'm going to go ahead and select that. Another option that we have here is the ability to upload your own voiceover. So if you did want to match your voice with one of the actors, you can do that, or your client's voice with one of the actors, you can do that. In the future, we will be having some additional options as well, where you will be able to upload yourself as an actor or your client as an actor and be able to match that with a voiceover that either matches yourself or your client, or actually upload your own voiceover to match yourself with your own client and be able to create videos on demand without you having to pull out a camera, worry about mics, all of that stuff. You just have yourself uploaded as an actor. You have your video, your voice, your video uploaded of yourself, and then you can match the two and create videos like that on demand. All right. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and hit continue. And here is where the script happens. All right, and we have multiple different options. I already have a script ready, which again is going to be the intro script for this video, so you'll be able to see how that looks at the beginning before you started watching the actual demo. So this is option number one, where you can go ahead and copy paste the script like I just did. Or we do have our AI content writer right here, which if you open it up, depending on which package you purchase, you will be able to create videos from 15, 30, or even 60 seconds long. So we've also optimized our AI content writer to write perfect short form scripts that not only deliver a powerful message, but get people to act to purchase your product or service. So I'm going to go ahead and do this and put something like, we are a local plumbing company looking to get more business, as an example. All right, and we do have just about every major language in here, so that you can create videos in all types of languages. And we are going to be expanding our actor library as well to match people from all over the world, so that when you are selecting some of these languages, you can find an actor that can match that voice from people from that area of the world. Okay, so we're going to be expanding that so that, you know, when you're matching a voice with an actor, it actually matches and it looks proper. Okay, so from here, I'm going to go ahead and hit create. And our AI content writer is not only going to write a powerful script that, oh look, that happens very fast, that happens within a few seconds, but this is a perfect script that not only delivers a message but gets people to act. So you'll see here, are you tired of leaky faucets? So a great intro there. It talks a little bit about this, and then it has a call to action at the end. All right, and we did, like I said, optimize it to write short form scripts, since short form videos right now are all the rage. people's attention span are getting smaller and smaller. So being able to deliver a powerful message in a short form video style is the key right now to get the maximum results. So we've optimized our AI content writer to be able to do that for you, and it even estimates how long of a video that's going to be, and you can go ahead and continue to edit this as much or as little as you'd like once the script is written for you. Another option that we have here is for those of you who prefer to just speak your script into the box. You can click this option here and start our speech to text, and as you speak you'll see the script being written out right before your eyes. Okay, but I'm going to go ahead and remove this for now. I'm going to go ahead and input my custom script here. I'm going to go ahead and hit continue, and then we have our subtitles here, which again are very crucial in today's world when it comes to social video platforms. It's almost unheard of to upload a video that doesn't have captions anymore, because you'll be surprised how many people rely on those captions, but also how many people actually watch videos on mute and just read the captions. Okay, so you definitely want to make sure you are taking full advantage of our captions options. And here you can pretty much do everything. You can select the font style, you can select the font size, the font color, and you can outline the letters, which again is very, very popular on social video platforms to make your captions stand out. You can control the size of the outline. You can have a shadow on it if you'd like. And then down here we have our display options. So how do you want the captions to be displayed? Do you want to have it word by word as it's being spoken? Or if you have it disabled, all the words will show up at once as they're being spoken, and then each word is being highlighted as it's being spoken. So I prefer the word by word to show up. Once you set that, you can go ahead and preview, and you'll get a preview of what that looks like. Now, before I move forward, I did forget to mention one thing. Here, another powerful option that we have is the ability to set specific emotions in your script. So here you can add an emotion to any word or series of words in your script. So you can see, you can just highlight what you want, and you can have them say it angrily, say it anxiously, say it authoritatively, calmly. We have just about every emotion you can think of in here to give your scripts an even more customized feeling. So set urgently, you click OK, and then that emotion gets added to this option. All right, I'm going to go ahead and remove that for now. Remove emotion. All right, go back to where we were. So this is the captions. Everything looks good with the captions. Click continue, and here we get to the summary of everything that we just created. Okay, so from here, all you have to do is make sure that everything you did is correct. You hit create video, and that's it. That's how simple it is to come in here and have videos created. You can see this process, the status is processing. Once it's done processing, you'll see the option here turn blue where you can download that video. All right, so while that's downloading, I'm gonna go ahead and create another video real quick for an outro to this video. So let me go ahead and hit that plus sign. I'm gonna go ahead and let's name this outro to demo. I'm gonna go ahead and let's go ahead and use Dakota. Hit continue. Let's find the Dakota. You can also filter by, oops, I don't want that. I want by female. And Dakota is right here. Let's select. You can hit continue. And then here I'm gonna go ahead and quickly write an outro to this video, and then we'll be able to see both of them at the end. All right, so I went ahead and just wrote a quick script here to close out this demo video. I'm gonna go ahead and hit continue. I'm gonna go ahead and activate my subtitles as well. I like going with black on yellow. I like doing it word by word. And then I'm gonna hit continue, hit create video, and that's it. All right, and you'll see in that time the actual video has been done. All right, you can see how awesome that looks. Perfect zip linking going on there, and it does look like I did forget to hit a space sign there, so I'll go ahead and fix that and I'll show you how quickly I can do that. So I'll go ahead and hit this copy sign, and you do want to make sure that you are double checking your script so that you can get it right the first time. But here I did mess that up, so I'm gonna hit space there, hit continue. And when you duplicate a campaign, I know I went fast there, but the reason I went so quick was because I was able to duplicate this campaign where everything stays the same, and I'm just able to fix that space sign there. So that's another cool feature that we added, is the ability to duplicate your campaigns. But besides this one error that I made there, since I'm going pretty quick in this demo, everything else looks pretty good. So I'm going to put the final version that renders here in the next few minutes at the beginning of this video so you can see it, and then I'm also going to add the Dakota video once that renders as well. But again, very powerful platform that we've created here that puts the power of UGC videos and spokesperson videos at anyone's fingertips to be able to deploy these types of videos at any time to sell more products, sell more services, get more traffic, go more viral on social video platforms, rank more videos, pretty much all types of uses that you can get out of these types of videos, and be able to do so by leveraging real human actors, leveraging powerful AI lip syncing that looks perfect, and be able to do so in all different types of languages as well. And you can see here the Dakota video has finished, and you can see perfect AI lip syncing there, and you'll be able to see the final version at the end of this video. But again, secure your copy, and I look forward to seeing what you can create and the results you can get with our powerful platform.
Now that you've seen how simple yet powerful we've made it for anyone to leverage UGC and spokesperson videos to get higher conversions, more sales, and more traffic for yourself or for your clients, I invite you to go below this video and secure your access at the limited time discount we're offering during the next few days. Click the button below.